So likewise, it was difficult to lay railway lines on the sandy plains of western Rajasthan. Again, during in desert regions like Rajasthan, it was very difficult in order to lay the railway lines because it was full of sand. So it is not possible to lay the railway tracks on the sandy plains. And swamps of Gujarat, forested. Again, in forest, it is a thick, dense forest, and so you cannot track the railway lanes in that regions. The contiguous stretch of Sahyadri could be crossed only through the gaps or passes, that is through guards. So there was no railway tracks in these regions also, and so it should be crossed through only the gaps or passes, that is called as guards. And in recent times, the development of the Konkan railway along the western coast has facilitated the movement of passengers and goods in this most important economic region of India. It has also faced a number of problems such as sinking of track in some stretches and land slides. So what happened in Konkan tracks? So in Konkan's railway, what happens is sometimes it gets sink means due to overload of water, that is sometimes when there is a natural disaster or when there is huge rain experienced in those places, what happens is the railway tracks sink and it is not possible to facilitate the movement along these places, and so this was a major difficulty faced in these regions. Today the railways have become more important in our national economy than all the other means of transport put together. However, railway transport suffers from certain problems as well. Many passengers travel without tickets. So again, one problem is there are many passengers who comes in without, that is without tickets, and they get into the coaches and they sit in the pathways and sit near the doors. All these menace is created by the people. Thefts and damaging of railway property has not been stopped. Again, there are too much of theft happening. Theft means looting, that is looting by thieves, and the damaging of railway properties, that is the taps, all the materials which is related to the railway, all the properties that is related to railway is being continuously damaged, and it is not stopped completely. People stop the trains, pull the chain unnecessarily, and this causes heavy damage to the railway. And next comes the pipelines. Pipeline transport network is a new arrival on the transportation map of India. In the past, these were used to transport water to cities and industries. So pipelines are the major thing which is used to transport water into the cities. That is from one place to another place of the cities. They use huge pipelines in order to transport water. Now these are used for transporting crude oil, petroleum products and natural gas from oil and natural gas fields to refineries, fertilizer factories and big thermal power plants. So nowadays these pipelines are also used for the transportation like crude oil, petroleum, natural gas and also the fertilizers. So it is used in that ways also. Solid